Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a measuring spoon. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and if you guys notice all of them are stick together because it does have a magnetic option in the middle, and they also do probably got the lever option, so that way you just move it out and you just get the right portion when you guys do use it. And then for the one that we got right here is like an aqua sky color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first, let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys can see in the middle right here, we do have a really strong magnetic option to hold everything together. And for each one of these is labeled, so that way you know the measurement or what it's for. So for the first one, it's a leveler. If you guys take it out, the next one that we got right here is 1/8 teaspoon, and they do have two different sides. So there's like a round option or oval option right here. If you guys take this one out, the next one that we got right here is 1/4 teaspoon, and same thing for this one. They also have the two different sides. So there's a round option and oval option, and same thing applies to all the other ones as well. But once you guys take this one out, next one that we got right here is a 1/2 teaspoon. If you guys take this one out, the next one that we got right here is 3/4 teaspoon. If you guys take this one out, next one that we got right here is 1 teaspoon. If you guys take this one out, next one that we got right here is 1/2 tablespoon. And if you guys take this one out, here we have 1 tablespoon. So this is the biggest one that we do have. And we guys do feel the material that's on here. It definitely is a high quality stainless steel material. And if you guys notice the way how to design the bottom part of the actual product, it has a flat bottom. So that way if you guys want to put it down on the table, it won't spill because it does have that flat bottom like I mentioned. And basically if you guys are curious about how to use the lever option, it's actually very simple. Once you guys scoop whatever you guys want on top, you just want to go like this to kind of smooth it out. Once you guys are done using the product, you can stick everything back together. So just like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to this one right here. So very easy and very simple for you guys to keep it all organized and use the product. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you do want to wash it before you guys use it, so that way the product is going to be clean. So whether if you guys want to use it for like flour, matcha powder, or anything else, whatever you guys want to use it for, that is totally up to you guys. But you definitely have like the measurement for teaspoon, tablespoon, and also the level option on here. But that is basically everything that's on product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality measuring spoon that has the teaspoon option, the tablespoon option, and also the level option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if it's those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.